Are you tired of investing in treadmills that just don't live up to the hype? Choosing the right treadmill can feel like a daunting task, with so many options out there promising the perfect run. But what if we told you 2025 is bringing in a new wave of treadmills that really deliver? Today we're cutting through the noise to show you the very best treadmills of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just getting started on your fitness journey, let's dive into the top picks that can make every run worth your while. You can find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Premium. The Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Smart Treadmill offers a robust set of features that make it a solid choice for home fitness enthusiasts looking for a versatile, compact treadmill. With Bluetooth connectivity, it integrates seamlessly with the SunnyFit app, which provides access to over 1,000 workouts and 10,000 scenic running routes, making each workout engaging and varied. Key features include 12 automatic incline levels from 0 to 12%, allowing you to increase workout intensity by targeting different muscle groups. The treadmill's quick access speed buttons provide easy control for speeds up to 8 mph, giving users the ability to adjust intensity with the press of a button. Additionally, 12 preset workout programs are designed to cater to all fitness levels, enhancing calorie burn and cardiovascular health. For comfort and durability, it comes with shock absorption technology to reduce joint impact and a foldable design for easy storage when not in use. Real-time heart rate monitoring via pulse sensors keeps you within target zones, helping you to optimize each session effectively. The current price is $580 at select retailers. Number 4. Proor Carbon TLX. The Proor Carbon TLX is a budget-friendly treadmill that offers a lot of value for home workouts at around $100. It has a 3.0 CHP motor, capable of handling a range of speeds up to 12 mph, and inclines up to 12% ideal for both walking and intense running. With a 60x20 running deck, it provides ample space for tall users, or those with a long stride. The deck also includes ProShox cushioning, although it might feel similar to outdoor running and may not offer substantial joint relief. For convenience, the Carbon TLX incorporates Easy Lift Assist for simple folding and storage, making it a great choice for home setups where space is limited. The space-saver design allows the running deck to fold vertically, optimizing storage space without compromising stability when unfolded. The Cool Air workout fan and Bluetooth audio connectivity add to the user experience, while the 7-Now's high-contrast display provides straightforward tracking of workout stats. Another standout feature is iFit compatibility. While a subscription is required to access iFit's interactive content, the treadmill includes a 30-day trial, allowing you to explore training programs and real-time adjustments via your smartphone or tablet, which connects seamlessly to the treadmill. Overall, the Proor Carbon TLX combines essential features for reliable home fitness with a few modern conveniences, making it an attractive choice in the under $1,000 category. However, for users seeking a more robust console or advanced cushioning, it may lack some high-end features. Number 3. Peloton Tread. The Peloton Tread is a premium treadmill designed for an immersive workout experience, starting at a price of $3,495. Key features include a 23.8-inch HD touchscreen, which allows users to access live and on-demand classes through Peloton's All-Access membership, available separately at $44 per month. This membership unlocks a wide range of training sessions, from running and walking to strength training and yoga, all led by professional trainers. Engineered with a 3.0 HP motor, the Tread can reach speeds of 0 to 12.5 mph and offers an incline range of 0 to 12.5%, providing varied intensity levels for both beginners and advanced runners. Another standout feature is the integrated high-fidelity audio system that supports Bluetooth connectivity, enabling users to enjoy high-quality sound through Bluetooth headphones or the treadmill speakers. For ease of use, the Tread features a unique dial system for speed and incline adjustments, which allows for smooth, intuitive changes during workouts. However, the Tread does not fold, which may be a consideration for those with limited space. Additionally, Peloton provides professional assembly and a 5-year frame warranty, though some users have noted this could be improved compared to industry standards. Overall, the Peloton Tread is an advanced, connected treadmill ideal for those seeking a premium and interactive workout experience at home. Number 2. Solka Fitness F89. The Sol Fitness F89 treadmill is a premium option for fitness enthusiasts, retailing at around $3,299. This model combines a durable build with advanced features for a comprehensive workout experience. It's equipped with a powerful 4.0 HP motor, capable of supporting speeds up to 12 mph, and offers 15 incline levels and 6 decline levels, allowing users to simulate uphill and downhill runs for a more realistic training experience. The Treadmill's impressive 21.5 touchscreen display supports popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and YouTube, alongside free access to Soul's own fitness app, Soul Plus, which provides a selection of instructor-led workouts. With a 3i75 lb weight capacity and a spacious 22 tals x 60 running deck, the F89 is built for stability and comfort, accommodating various running styles and intensities. For added convenience, it includes Bluetooth speakers, wireless charging, and quick touch speed and incline buttons, making it easy to control workout settings. Additionally, the Treadmill's foldable design and transportation wheels make it more manageable to store. Though at 314 lbs, it's still a substantial machine, better suited to a dedicated workout space. Soul backs the F89 with a lifetime warranty on the frame, and motor, a 3-year parts warranty, and 1-year labor coverage, highlighting its focus on long-term reliability. This treadmill appeals to users who prioritize a robust, tech-integrated fitness experience without the ongoing subscription costs found with some competitors, like NordicTrack. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. The NordicTrack Commercial 2450 treadmill offers a premium experience with cutting-edge features tailored for serious home fitness enthusiasts. At the heart of this treadmill is a powerful 4.25 CHP motor, designed for smooth operation even at high speeds. You can reach speeds up to 14 mph, allowing for intensive interval training, while the 12% incline to 3% decline range provides varied workout intensities that mimic real-life terrains. This incline-decline range is ideal for strengthening different muscle groups, making it an excellent choice for comprehensive training sessions. One of its standout features is the 24 HD touchscreen, which can pivot and tilt, allowing for visibility from multiple angles, especially useful for off-treadmill exercises like strength or yoga sessions. The display integrates seamlessly with iFit membership, which offers access to over 10,000 workouts, including Google Maps routes, video-based classes, and guided sessions by world-class trainers. The Active Pulse TM technology adjusts the treadmill's speed and incline to maintain your target heart rate when used with a compatible heart rate monitor, providing customized heart rate-based intensity levels to optimize calorie burn and endurance. For added comfort, the treadmill includes RunFlex TM cushioning, which absorbs impact and helps reduce joint strain, making it a suitable choice for runners. Additionally, the Auto Breeze TM fan adjusts its speed based on your pace, keeping you cool as you work out. Storage is easy with its Space Saver TM design and Easy Lift TM Assist, which folds and locks the treadmill securely when not in use. Priced at approximately $2,500, this treadmill provides excellent value given its durability, advanced features, and interactive workout options, making it a top-tier option for dedicated home gym setups.